everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Ooh, itch. Okay, yeah. Anyway, I do hope by the end of it you'll decide to subscribe and hang out and stick around, and yeah, I do all things beauty. So today I have a very different kind of video. I was on Amazon because I love to do Amazon hauls. Like, you can get some great stuff on Amazon for a really good price. So I went up there and it said, we think you'll like these items. Their bestseller list. They had 20 products, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna let Amazon choose my beauty products. We're gonna go ahead and see what's on this list, what I got, and why. Are you guys ready? We're gonna get into this video in just a second. Out of the 20 items, I don't know, I got like 5 or 6, and we're gonna go through it. I had actually been looking for, and this is the interesting thing, but I had been looking for a rosemary oil for the hair. You guys know that you've got to keep your scalp healthy in order to have healthy hair, and a lot of products out of there build up on your head. Color, thick conditioners, stuff like that, and they block the hair follicle. Anyway, this is not a hair video, but I wanted one of these for so long, and I thought, oh my gosh, it's on the top 20 list. I am definitely going to get it. So then I saw one of these. Now, I decided to get this. I do have other scalp brushes, but they sucked and they pulled my hair. This one didn't. So I put a little bit of this oil on my head at nighttime, because any type of oil is going to make your hair greasy. And then I just kind of did this. Can you see? Yeah, all the way around my head until it soaked in. I felt good about it. And that was that. So these are the first 2 items. This was also on the list. So I was like, okay, this is good. This is good. Let's see what else is on the list that I might need. Then we came up with Q-tips. Who doesn't need these? If you are a beauty guru, if you are just a mom, you need to have these around. And I'm gonna be honest with you. Doctors tell you not to use these for your ears. We all do. It's just the way that it is. It's not a secret. Okay, so I got a huge pack of these, and it was cheap. Got 4 of them for like $9. Okay, moving on. Yes. I saw these. We all know. We use these. Eyebrow hairs, anything fuzzy. So this way you don't have texture on your face, because everybody has facial hair. Blonde, black, it doesn't matter. You don't like it. We don't want it. We need to get rid of it. Some people do waxing, some use these, but these also get off the dead skin too, so I like them a lot. So I thought, all right, let's see what else. And then I saw an item that was brand new to me, something I wasn't looking for. This is called the Honeydew Hot Cream Ultra Moisturizing. This is supposed to help with the jigglies. So I tried it, and you know what? I tried it at the worst time. I tried it when I had the flu, but I didn't know I was gonna vomit. Later on, I was just kind of feeling icky. I want to try out this product for this video, and it felt like vapor, menthol. And then a couple hours later, I started vomiting because I got the flu. And you know what, guys? I have not touched it since. I'm kind of turned off by it. I know. Any of you want it? Okay, so I got that, and I may try it again. Who knows? What else did I buy? Aha! Here it is. Differin gel. You know, back in the day, you needed a prescription to get this, but we all get those big pimples and we need to get rid of them. So a little bit of this at nighttime. Benzoyl peroxide sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. This works a little bit better if you've got a big pimple and you want it gone by morning. I did try it out. I had one over here. It successfully left me within a few days, so I was very excited about that. So I did buy the Differin. And then I saw, now this isn't beauty related, but I needed one. I got another taser. It was like super cheap too. And it's one of those that you just plug in and charge that way. But this little guy was less than $10, and you've got a switch. Ooh, okay, yeah. I'm pretty sure that'll drop a bitch. Anyhow, I think every girl should have one. Guys, definitely. If you don't carry some type of weapon, I don't know. I just think nowadays you need to. So I did also get a few other non-beauty related items, and I may do a haul and show you all of that. I did get some clothes for Kayla. I think I'm going to do that in another video and have her model them. But yeah, so that's what I got. And you know what? Amazon recommended those items. I was thinking to myself, yeah, there's got to be an algorithm, you know, whatever, from things that you look at, and maybe that's why it's recommended. But I was pretty pleased because there were items on there that I knew I needed, and to look for them, it was just so much easier. So anyhow, that is my quick Amazon haul, beauty related. Let Amazon chose it for me. And yeah, so have you guys tried this? Have you gone on there and just looked for bestsellers or products that they recommend to you and buy them? I'm curious how many people actually do that. Okay, that concludes today's video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you love things, all things beauty related. And I love you guys so very much. I will be announcing some winners for my end of year giveaway soon. So you definitely want to stick around for that. Look for that video within the next week, and I'll see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.